Hi, welcome to the City Tourist Information Center. How can I help you today?
Hello, this is my first time here and I'll be visiting for 2 days. I'd love some suggestions on what to see and do.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help. Before we begin, may I ask, what types of activities do you enjoy? Museums, outdoor activities, food, shopping, city tours?
I enjoy a bit of everything, but I especially want to see things that are unique to this city.
Great. In that case, I recommend starting with the Old Town District. It's one of the most popular areas for visitors. You'll find beautiful historic streets, small shops, street food, and local cafes. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
That sounds perfect. What time does Old Town usually get busy?
It starts getting busy around 11 a.m., especially on weekends. If you like taking photos, I suggest going earlier in the morning when it's quieter.
Good to know. Are there any museums in that area?
Not in Old Town, but just 2 blocks from here we have the City History Museum. It covers everything from early settlements to modern city life. Most visitors spend about an hour there.
Nice. What are the museum's hours?
It's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. every day. Last entry is at 4:30 p.m.
Great. I'll try to visit this afternoon. Now, what about outdoor activities? I enjoy walking in nature.
Then you'll love our riverfront park. It has walking paths, bike rentals, and plenty of places to relax. Many visitors enjoy taking pictures along the river, especially at sunset.
That sounds amazing. How do I get there?
Just walk straight down this street for about 5 minutes. When you reach the large fountain, turn right and you'll see the park entrance.
Perfect. Do you know how much the bike rentals cost?
Yes, the standard rate is $12 per hour or $30 for the whole day. They also have electric bikes for a little more.
Good to know. What about food? I'd like to try some local dishes.
For local cuisine, I recommend Riverside Cafe. They're famous for their seafood soup and grilled dishes. If you want more options, the City Market Plaza has different international foods as well.
I'll definitely try one of those places. Do you have a map I can take?
Of course, here's a free map. I've marked Old Town, the museum, and the riverfront park. I'll also circle Riverside Cafe for you.
That's very helpful. Are there any special events happening today or tomorrow?
Yes. Tonight there's a free outdoor music concert in the park at 6 p.m. And tomorrow morning we have a guided walking tour of Old Town.
That sounds great. How long is the walking tour?
It lasts about 90 minutes. It's very popular, so I recommend arriving 10 minutes early.
Thanks. One more question. How do I use public transportation here? Are buses easy to use?
Very easy. Here's a bus schedule. Most buses run every 10-15 minutes. You can buy a day pass for $5, which gives you unlimited rides.
That's convenient. Can I also use the day pass on the tram?
Yes, the day pass works for buses and trams.
Great. Do you know where I can buy souvenirs?
Yes. In Old Town, almost every shop sells local crafts, postcards, magnets, and handmade items. If you want something more special, Visit the artisan market near the river. Everything there is handmade by local artists.
Perfect. I love handmade souvenirs. Before I go, could you recommend a good spot for taking photos?
Definitely. The best photo spot is Sunset Point at the far end of the riverfront park. It has a wide view of the city skyline. You'll get beautiful pictures, especially around sunset.
Wonderful. I'll try to go there later. Thank you for all the information.
My pleasure. Do you need help with anything else, like directions, tickets, or transportation apps?
No, this is great. You've helped a lot.
I'm glad to hear that. Enjoy your visit, and feel free to come back if you need anything else.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful time exploring the city.